Should have probably really brought a stand light down, but can't bother to go upstairs, eh? What we'll do is I'll put the links onto eBay where I got this from. Subsequently, I do have another one of these, albeit second hand, from a good gentleman called Paul from the Night Vision Builders group on Facebook. It's his fault I got into this. So looks like it's well packaged. Let's see. So lift straight out. What we'll do is we'll take the foam surrounds, which I will probably utilise for something else in the future, but we'll see. So whilst I'm doing this, for those who by all means have a look at some of the YouTube channels, some very good guys out there who do a hell of a lot better than me in terms of tutorials, but if you like what I do, then 3D printing is all about getting a model, regardless of however you might design it. It could be a square block, a circle, and a sphere, anything like that, and you build it up in layers. And I've recently done a time-lapse video doing just that, which just wasted cardboard, which shows you one of my night vision builds, just building all the way up. It's quite nice. It's about a minute odd long, but it just gives you an indication on how it all works. So what I'll do is I'll just be careful with the rest of the boxes. I just want to make sure that there's nothing connected, because the worst thing that you would do with this would be very much to yank on something and damage it. So I'll just take my time, because again the printer that I got beforehand was very much pre-built. So let's see what we've got in here. Oh, these. So these are for the spool holder. That's block there, when I'll get into it, that is very much the extruders. That's the parts that kind of melt the plastic down into the layers. Looks here they've got USB cable, not as if I haven't got probably hundreds of those lurking around. 4 GB SD card, power cable, and a spool holder. And later on in the videos, when we're kind of getting this all assembled, just go through on how that all pans out. But I'll just put there for. We've got 4 stabilising feet. Again, the printer I've got, remember these feet go on the edge here, all 4 corners, but we'll do that in a bit. And then we've also got 3 Allen keys and a fuse, a bit like the fuse that you get in your plug, which probably will go into that, but I'll open that up later. And some additional bolts and nuts and washers, which, based on what I've already know about this printer itself, they're just going to be to attach the extruders. Thank you for purchase. Oh, they'll give me a 3% discount. Well, I might take advantage of that. Right, so let's get that. So what we'll do at the moment is I'll just pull this up slightly, if that is at all possible. Just so I can get access to this box, or whether it is indeed a box of any ilk or description. And in here we have nothing. And in this one we have something. Now in the auction that I got, they very much said that they provide a free roll of PLA. Wow. Okay, so some nice red PLA. It's a good thing, you know. It's cheap. Well, I'm saying it's cheap. It came with a printer, so that's a little bonus. This stuff is relatively cheap on eBay now, but we can go into this as these videos evolve on. So what I'll do is I'll cut that off at the moment because we've kind of unboxed everything for now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into little module parts of what to attach, etc, etc, and then we'll kind of get moving on to the actual firmware or the software. What I'll do is I'll do a video that describes the firmware in a little bit more detail to give you a bit of an understanding of what it is, how it works, and how it's different to the everyday PC that you kind of use. So that's it for now. So a bit boring, an unboxing video, but that's what you get. So that cost me £269 from eBay, and yeah, first impressions, I'm doing okay.